Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily change your current profile picture to a new profile picture on your BeReal account. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps. Make sure that you follow me till the end. First of all, open the BeReal app on your phone and log into your account. So when you're done, there on the home screen on the top right corner, you will see your profile icon. Click there and you will be taken to a page like this. There you will find the option to edit your profile. Click on Edit My Profile and you will be taken to a page like this. So changing your profile picture is similar to the steps on how you add your profile picture. So if you do not know how to add a profile picture, make sure that you check out other videos where I teach you how you can add a profile picture on your BeReal account. But for now, just click on your profile picture and there you will have the option to either take a picture, pick from your gallery or delete the profile picture. For now, we are changing the profile picture, so I'm gonna pick from my gallery. There you can choose any picture of your choice. I'm gonna choose this picture. And you can edit by dragging the picture or also zooming in, zooming out, or there are other options on what you want to do. And when you're done editing the picture, just click on the top right corner where you will find a tick mark. And just wait for a while. And when you're done, just click on the top right corner. And there you go, you have successfully changed your profile picture. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching till the end. And if you want more of these tutorials, make sure that you subscribe our channel. Thank you.